Get in here, get in here, get in here. I'm Lacey E, aka Natural Lacey E, and today we're doing affordable hair care. Affordable shampoo, affordable conditioner, affordable. So please stay tuned if you'd like to see what products I'm using that is going to be affordable for you and your pockets. Before we get into this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video, and listen to your mama, because guess what? Your mama taught you sharing is caring, right? Today we will be using everyone on YouTube's favorite pre-pool. I mean, everyone's. I have never tried it, but I guess I just had to try it for you guys and see if it's worth all this hype. So today we will be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Pre-Shampoo. I actually ordered this from a beauty supply store in Arlington, Texas, and it cost me $6.99. So if you cannot get it at any of your local beauty supply stores, check out some stores online because they may actually have what you need. I have seen so many of my YouTube sisters on here using this and buying them 1, 2, 3, 6 bottles at a time, or jars rather. And I definitely had to see if it's worth your coins, okay? Because we're trying to make this affordable. But I will definitely let you guys know, so please stay tuned while I go ahead and take all of this down, because this is how I rock my hair in a high bun when I don't feel like putting gel or any other extra stuff in it. So I just put this on here. I believe I got this from Walmart in like the hairstyle section. This is something I just rock just to show you guys. This is an old twist out, and when I say old, meaning I didn't take care of it. So this is what I've been rocking all day. But let's go ahead and get into this pre-pool, because I did not detangle, I did not do anything, and this is really gonna test this pre-pool for you guys. Okay, kind of has like a coconut, oh well, aloe and coconut water, so that makes sense. I'm gonna use my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I have not used this on my hair, but I have used it on my kids' hair. So, and it worked pretty good on them. But let's see how it works on my hair, because I'm very particular about my brush. I'm a dimming girl, so let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair into 4 sections so that you guys can see it better, and so that I have more control of what's going on in my hair right now, because it's a little crazy. So for consistency, woo! Yo, this is like kind of slimy. Oh, yo, this is like having real aloe on your hair. That's how much slip it has. Now I see why people are buying this 2, 3 jars at a time. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, this is gonna be my super duper go-to. Now I could see this being very useful, especially with like a wash and go, because you have all that product in there. I would have to use my Demon and my Felicia Leatherwood together. Comment down below if you want to see me battle the Felicia Leatherwood with my Demon brush using this pre-pool, so we can get the true results on this pre-pool. See if it's the brush or if it's the pre-pool that's doing the detangling. Because I don't even know at this point, but I know this thing is slippery. Look at it, even got my curls popping. You see that? Them curls is popping. I wonder, is this pre-pool better than the Made Choice 3-in-1? I mean, let me know if y'all want me to battle it out between the Made Choice 3-in-1 and this pre-pool, because the Made Choice is pretty slippery. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting this on all 4 sections, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, y'all. So I applied the pre-pool in all 4 sections, and I have to be honest with y'all, this pre-pool like exceeded my expectations, y'all. Like, exceeded. For the price point, for the slip, listen, this is how much I used. Can y'all see that? I didn't use much at all, and my hair was tangled. Okay, it wasn't too bad. It was still moisturized and wasn't too dry, but it was tangled. Like, that product right there, if you got kids, for your hair, you need to cop that. So I got mine from Be Polish out of Arlington, Texas. Black-owned beauty supply store, y'all. Go shop there and support her because she's one of us, sis. But anywho, I got it from bepolish.com. I'll link her Instagram and her website down below. But that was the only place I was able to find it due to where I live. But definitely get there, people, sis. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out, and then I'm going to come back and let you guys know what I'll be washing my hair with today. Because we are all about affordable today, baby. $10 and less, okay? So we're all rinsed out. It rinsed out well. I mean, it was nothing but like a little slimy mixture going on there. But hey, it's washed out with no problem. So I'm going to go ahead and wash with the Aunt Jackie's, baby. Let's get up in there. Oh, so clean. This cost me $3. So I got this from TJ Maxx. I guess it was on clearance. But either way, I got it, okay? Okay. So my hair is already in the 4 sections. I rinsed my pre-pull out in sections. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shampoo so you guys can see how it is on my hair. As far as the ingredients or what it doesn't have, it does not have any, it's sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, and it's petroleum free. So good stuff. Ooh, lathers pretty well. Okay, my hair is still pretty much wet from the rinse out. Oh, it smells citrusy. I think I applied too much, y'all. I didn't think it was gonna lather like that. Let me get this section. I be hating when I see videos and you like, ooh, that's how much it has, okay? So, getting all the sections that, you know, when you're recording, you tend to miss. But this stuff, it has pretty good slip. It's supposed to be moisturizing. It's so much suds, y'all. I think I applied too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to all 4 sections, and then I'm gonna rinse this out, and I'll get back to you guys when we get into the deep conditioner. All right, it's all rinsed out. Now we're gonna go in with the deep conditioner. The In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. I actually use this on my kids' hair, and it actually made their curls clump, but I haven't used it on mine, so let's see. This has a fruity, zesty smell. Not bad at all. Smells actually kind of good. But let me go ahead and take this off and show you guys my hair. Whew. Okay. My hair feels good. It's not as moisturizing as I'm used to, but you know, the shampoo is affordable. It's not a bad shampoo. It's just not what I'm used to. It doesn't feel super dry. Like when I was rinsing it out, I was like, oh, we might have a issue here, but it doesn't feel too dry right now. So I'm gonna separate them into 4 sections again so we can apply this deep conditioner. This is gonna be a good deep conditioner. Like I said, I used it on my kids and it was good. Okay, so let me go ahead and apply this on all 4 sections. I'm gonna rinse this out and then I'll be back and we'll continue on with the rest of the products in this line. I'm gonna go sit underneath my hooded dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes or whenever my phone dies, but I'll be right back. Yes, yes, y'all, when I tell you my hair is so soft, oh my goodness, it is like a pillow. Oh my goodness. And I sat underneath my towel for about like 10 minutes. Don't ask me why, I got distracted, okay? But my hair feels so soft. Oh, it smells zesty and good. But now back to our affordable wash day routine. Now we're gonna go in with Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisturizer or Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. I thought I got this one on sale too, but I think I picked this up at Sally's, but I went to TJ Maxx right after Sally's, and Sally's had this big old bottle for $6. So what is this? 12 fluid ounces. So for 12 ounces, it would cost me $6 versus whatever I paid at Sally's. This smells like, you know, the dipsticks that you dip in the sugar and you eat it and lick it and the stick is white. That's what it smells like. I rinsed out my Felicia Leatherwood and I rinsed off all my clips because, you know, that pre-pool was pretty good. That deep conditioner and all that stuff was good. So I had to rinse all that out. So back to my 4 sections. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the leave-in to all 4 sections. And then we're gonna go in with the butter cream intense moisture sealant. So I've used this on my kids. How does everything else has a smell, but this smell like crayons? It legit smell like crayons. It don't have no smell, it don't have no color. If you guys can see that. We're gonna try it because maybe if I try with a leave-in, I'll get a different result, but we're gonna see. Okay. I don't know what I was expecting. This is watery. Oh my goodness. Okay, listen, I might be shocked. Okay, so let's just apply this all on there. And usually I would apply my leave-in in the shower, but okay. See, there I go, speaking prematurely again. I like it. I could finger detangle with this. I mean, I'm trying not to apply too much because I tend to go overboard with the leave-in. But I like it. So the leave-in been applied in all 4 sections. Now I'm gonna go in with the buttercream. Like I said, smells like crayons. Don't know why when everything else smells delicious. So I'm gonna use this as my cream. And I have the oil, which I got from TJ Maxx for $3. It's to nourish my hair, flaxseed and manure oil. This oil smells good too. Now, what it smells like, I can't even describe, but it smells good and I'm excited about it. Let's see the consistency. It's thick. Oh, baby, this thick. This thick. I'm gonna use the lock method. I'm gonna use the leave-in, oil, and then cream. So I'm gonna put this all in one section and then I'm gonna put the cream in another section. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist my whole head and I'll be right back and let y'all know how everything is looking, how I'm feeling. Don't go nowhere, okay? Okay, y'all, I'm all twisted up. Took me a little longer than I expected. Maybe because I was just watching YouTube videos. But anywho, I'm twisted. I did go in with a little bit more of the oil only because I'm scared about the butter. But I think I'm just being a scaredy cat, and I think this is going to be the perfect line for all of my viewers that are on a budget, college students, or just don't want to spend a lot of money on products. But I think this is going to be an amazing line for those with a budget. All right, so I separated the rest of my hair off camera because if not, y'all would have got another 15-minute video. So to save time, I went ahead and separated it all and fluffed it off camera. But if you want a very, very detailed on how I twist my hair, how I take it out, and how I fluff it, I could do that and then just not include the wash day, because again, you will have a 30-minute long video and we don't want that, sis. So this is the final product. I love it. I would definitely recommend Aunt Jackie's because it's affordable and not everybody got time to be spending all their paycheck, all their extra coins on hair products. And I think it is a great starter kit compared to the other affordable products because it actually does provide moisture. And I wanted to go over these products and let you know what I recommend and what I do not recommend, or how I recommend that you use these products. So the leave-in conditioner, I like it. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because it was super duper watery, but it was good. I loved it. The Oh So Clean shampoo, the moisturizing shampoo, it wasn't moisturizing for me, But then again, it could be my hair type. Maybe my hair is not feeling it right now. I will definitely use these products again, the whole entire line. I just think that maybe I need to pre-poo with a butter or oil or something for my hair because it wasn't as moisturizing for me. I love this oil. I definitely think you should follow the instructions by applying this onto your hair before you use the butter. Especially during the winter time, you need to start sealing your hair, sealing that moisture in, because if not, your hair just gonna dry out in the winter time. My favorite item from this whole entire line will have to go to the deep conditioner. I loved it. It made my hair feel so good. It smells so good. It was just amazing. So definitely check them out.